Hello everyone. In this video we're going to cover the end behaviors of polynomials. So what do you need to know in order to proceed with this question? Always you need to know that the end behaviors of a function of polynomial always depend on the leading term. In this case for a we have 4x to the fourth, and for b we have minus 3x cubed. So let's suppose that the leading term is ax to the n. So we have two scenarios here. For the a, either it's going to be a positive value or either it's going to be a negative value. So I am referring to the table how to use it, right? And the other thing is the n over here, right? So the n, it could be either an even number or it can be an odd number. And what you do, you just have to cross them around and see what graph you're gonna fit. So now let's address the graphs, right? So the graph that we have here, they are really simple. So the first one is y equals to x squared. So do you see here is positive because there is a 1, and x squared is a even, of course, right? And then next to it we have y equals to x cubed, and I'm pretty sure that you are familiar with these two graphs. Now the following two graphs are nothing else than y equals to minus x squared, and you notice here the minus sign is making it negative, x squared still even, and the one next to it is y equals to minus x cubed. So here they are not really difficult to memorize, since how do you get minus x squared? You have to reflect the x squared accordingly to the x-axis and you will get this graph. And similarly, if you reflect this part here on the x-axis, you will get this part, and you reflect this one on the x-axis, which is this one, you will get this one. So you understand how do you generate minus x squared and minus x cubed from the parent functions who are x squared and x cubed. All right, so now let's get to the solution of this. So for a, the leading term is 4x4, and this is going to behave as x squared, right? Remember, this is a positive here because 4 is positive. So x squared, we know how it does. The curve is going to go like this. So the end behaviors are this part of the graph, how they are behaving. And we can see here on the right side, right and going up, and from the left side we can see gonna go left and going up as well, right? All right, so how do we answer to this as well with the limits, right? If you are asked about the limits, so this is gonna go as follow. Saying going left, it means the x is heading to minus infinity, right? Saying going up, it means the y's, they're gonna go up. So the y's goes up and down, the x's goes left and right, and this is going to be the y, you're going to be heading to plus infinity. And this is for the first one, right? For the second one we have right, so again that's the x's, x is going toward plus infinity, that's plus infinity from here, minus infinity from here, right? And the y's, since it's going up, it means it's heading toward plus infinity. So plus infinity here for the y's, minus infinity over here. All right, and basically we are done with the a. Now for b, we got the leading term is minus 3x cubed, and this behaves very similar to minus x cubed, right? Because 3 is odd and minus 3 is negative, right? So the graph that we are concerned about is gonna be similar to this, right? All right, so I can graph it as well here. So this is the graph, and it's gonna be a reflection of x cubed. So you're gonna come from this side up, and this is gonna go down this way. Great. So now let's see the end behaviors. So from the left side is obviously left and going up. From the right side, it's gonna be right and down. All right, so for right and down, what does mean right and down? Right means the x's going to infinity, right? Down, what does mean? It means the y's is going down, right? So the y is gonna go minus infinity. All right, minus infinity here and plus infinity for the x's here. Now I can do same thing for the x's and the y's from the left side. So we know the graph is going to the left, so that means the x is going minus infinity, and we see the graph is going upward. It means the y is going plus infinity. All right, so I hope this helps.